Assalamualaikum student. This is grade 4 social studies book, chapter number 1, unit 1, geography, part 1, earth and space. Today we will solve the exercises of geography grade 4, earth and space. After reading the chapter you will solve the question at the page number 5. So our key learning points are the shape of earth and the earth in space and the earth's movement and its effects. Answer to the questions on page number 5. Describe the shape of earth. What is the shape called? The answer is the shape of earth is round, but it is slightly flattened at two poles. This shape is known as sphere. Number 2. Explain the differences between rotation and revolution. Answer is when the earth rotates on its axis, it is known as rotation. The earth rotates on its axis in 24 hours. This movement of earth causes day and night. When the earth goes around the sun, it is known as revolution. It takes the earth 365 days, 1.5 days to revolve around the sun. This movement of earth brings change in seasons. Question number 3 is, how are seasons caused? The seasons are caused by the tilt of earth on its axis away toward the sun as it revolves around the sun. This is the answer of question number 3. On the screen you can watch answer of question number 4. The question is, where on the earth's surface is the sun hottest throughout the year? The place around the equator usually have the hottest temperature throughout the year. Question number 5. Explain what a globe and a map are, the differences between them. A globe is a model of earth. Earth is so large that we cannot see all of its once. The globe shows what earth look like. The flat maps are used to show parts of earth. In order to be able to read the map, it needs a tilt, scale and a key. Question number 6. Explain why there is complete darkness at the North Pole for 24 hours a day in December. There is complete darkness for 24 hours in December because Earth's axis tilts toward the southern hemisphere. The rays of sun cannot reach the North Pole. Use the globe to find the North and South Pole. Do you know which way is north from your school? So students should use the globe to find the North Pole. They can locate the north. This is the working task. If you have globe at home, you can use it, but otherwise you will leave it. So that we will solve this question number 7 at school, inshallah. Page number 6. Match the following with their meanings. Astronaut is a person trained to travel in the space. Revolution, a circular movement around another object. Orbit, the path of a planet. Globe, a spherical model of earth. Axis, an imaginary line through the center of earth. Equator, an imaginary line round the middle of earth. You will match them. Hemisphere, half of the earth. B. Write these words in correct spaces of diagrams. West, south, northwest, north, south. You will write it in the right place on diagram. If you will not understand, you can leave it. After that we will inshallah solve when school will be open. D. The police station is to the dash of school. The police station is to the dash of school, is to the west of school. The school is to the dash of house, to the south of house. The hospital is in the dash of town, is to the north, west. Number 4. The farm is in the dash of town, southwest. At the page number 7, list the 7 continents and 5 oceans. Find them in a globe. 7 continents are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. And oceans are Arctic, Atlantic, Indian, Pacific, Southern. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean. You can also find them in globe, and you will write on the page number 7 of your book. For the next lecture, inshallah, we will upload another video. Just keep watching our channel. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.